Example, verify Rolle's theorem for f of x is equals to sin x upon x in the interval 0 to pi. We have to verify Rolle's theorem for the given function. Solution. Always we have to start solution with we have given function f of x sin x upon x in 0 to pi. First condition we have to check continuity. Now, sin x is trigonometric function and e raised to x exponential function. Okay, so both are continuous in given interval 0 to pi except ऐसा कोई पॉइंट है क्या जहाँ पे वो कंटिन्यूस नहीं है because our given interval is real, it is not infinite. Region अपना real, so both are continuous. Okay, trigonometric function real values के लिए continuous होता है, नोट में लिख के दिया है. So I will write here since sin x and e raised to x are continuous everywhere and e raised to x is non-zero for any real value. Okay, e raised to x और यहाँ पे मैंने एक लिखा है example sin x e raised to x e raised to x sin x upon e raised to x function. Okay, so sin x upon e raised to x is non-zero for all real values. Okay, so this satisfies f of x is continuous in close the interval 0 and pi. What is second condition? What is second condition of Rolle's mean value theorem? Yes, it is differentiability. Function is sin x upon e raised to x. Now tell me derivative. Yes. Because
Here is 2x cos x minus.
एक मिनट मंगाती अभी कौन बताने वाला है बिल्कुल था अपन दूसरा कोई बताने वाला है हाँ e raised to x cos x minus
sin x into e raised to x
हाँ
upon e raised to x square.
sin x e raised to x upon e raised to x. Okay, here we applied u by v rule. मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ d of u by v. Okay, so according to this rule u into v into derivative minus u into derivative of v divided by denominator square. So हमने यहाँ पे u दिया है v दिया है और differentiation. So this is our differentiation. Okay, simplify e raised to x cos x minus sin x e raised to x divided by e raised to 2x. Now, it is only for when our denominator becomes 0. Okay. अब क्या लगेगा इंटरवल में infinite value infinity 0 आ सकती. So here our interval is 0 to pi. Okay. कौन सी वैल्यू नहीं है कि वो इनफाइनाइट है. Therefore we can write which exists for all x in open interval 0 and pi. मतलब 0 to pi में सारे वैल्यूज के लिए हमें यहाँ पे एक वैल्यू मिलेगी उसका मतलब एग्जिस्ट है मतलब वो डिफरेंशिएबल है. Therefore f of x is differentiable in 0 to pi. And third condition is that f of a is equals to f of b. So I will write function here on e raised to x interval is 0 to pi. So value of f of 0 e raised to 0. What is value?
0.
One.
Yes. 1.
It is to zero.
Yeah, 0 is correct answer. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. E raised to 0 is 1. So answer is 0. And we have to find value for pi. So sin pi upon e raised to pi. Sin pi is 0. ओके देखिए क्या है वो पॉइंट में फ्रैक्शन में आता है समथिंग आएगा लेकिन 0 अपॉन समथिंग इज 0 तो बोथ वैल्यूज आर इक्वल इन f of 0 is equals to thus all the conditions of Rolle's mean value theorem are satisfied. So, therefore, there exists our given interval 0 pi such that f dash of c is equals to 0. अब f dash of c के लिए हमें f dash of x लगता है तो मैं यहाँ पे एड में लिखता हूँ our f dash of x is e raised to x cos x minus e raised to x sin x upon e raised to 2x. We take e raised to common from numerator और एक कैंसिल हो जाता है डिनोमिनेटर से हमें मिलता है cos x minus sin x upon e raised to x. Am I correct? Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So we
sir.
need f dash of c. We need f dash of c. So जहाँ जहाँ पे x है वहाँ पे c रखो हमें मिलेगा cos c minus sin c divided by e raised to c is equals to 0. When the e raised to c goes to right hand side,
Zero.
we are remaining with cos c minus sin c is equals to 0. Okay. So हमें ये सिंप्लीफाई करना है c वैल्यू निकालनी है तो cos c is equals to sin c आएगा
Ch value pi by 4.
5/4.
Pi by 4.
c की वैल्यू
Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Pi by 4.
फाइव बाय फोर कोई बता सकता है कैसे निकाला
क्योंकि pi by 4 की वैल्यू से upon root
Sin 5/4 and cos 5/4 same.
same.
yes sin c cos c मतलब only for c is equals to 5 by 4
Pi by 4.
these two becomes equal okay what is value of sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4
1 by root 2.
1 by root.
yes 1 by root 2 okay so
Yes.
hence Rolle's theorem verified